The X-Scrub Mini by Intelligent Design Manufacturing is the most versatile and the toughest micro scrubber on the market. To show you that, we're gonna accidentally drop it down the stairs. Hey, I'm Guy Cordell, founder and CEO of Intelligent Design Manufacturing. I'm here today to introduce the robust 11-inch micro auto scrubber. This is the X-Scrub Mini. The X-Scrub Mini was designed for those hard to reach spaces that a mop just doesn't cut the soil load. This unit was designed to go in between the commode and the stall in most bathrooms. This unit features 3 different brush options. So you've got a restoration brush, a standard brush, and then a soft brush for waxed or finished floors. We've designed this unit with no computer boards to be a robust unit for heavy-duty cleaning. We've designed it with a removable quick change vacuum motor that you can change in under a minute and a half. It's got removable tanks with a drain hose in the dirty water tank, so you can fill the clean water in the bathroom and you can drain the dirty water in the bathroom. We've done everything we can to protect the vacuum motor on this unit, so we have an electronic float switch on it with an indicator to show the user when it's full. We've got a ball and float to turn the vacuum motor off when the suds or the foam get so high. And then we've got a thermal overload inside the vacuum motor to electronically shut off if that ball float is raised up. The unit is equipped with a headlight so the user can see those areas that they're cleaning in and to make sure that they're cleaned properly. We've designed the X-Scrub Mini with a pictogram model to make it easy to use no matter what language you prefer. To operate the X-Scrub Mini, we're gonna flip the kickstand like so. We're gonna lightly pick up on the handlebar like so. We're gonna turn our water on, and then we're gonna dial in the water flow. We're gonna turn our brush on, and then our vacuum. We can operate the machine in a figure-8 style, or walk behind the unit like this. When we're done cleaning, we're gonna turn our water off. We're gonna turn our brush off. We're gonna lightly push the unit forward to pick up any excess water on the floor. Turn our vacuum off. Use the pedal in the back to lift up the unit, and then we're gonna lock it right into place like this, and we're ready to go to the next spot. If you're tired of spreading that dirty water around your facility today and you're ready to kick the mop or bucket, give us a call. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business and give you a demo today.